Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the Wanna Love Somebody line dance. This is a beginner line dance to the song Love Somebody by Wallen. It was choreographed by Cathy. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, step by step. We're going to have a lot of fun, no tags, no restarts, a very nice basic beginner line dance. This video is the tutorial only, so when you're ready to practice it with music, there's a separate video for that. It's linked down in the video description or up here in this card, so go check out that other video when you're ready to try this with music. Let's line dance, y'all. Here we go. Our first 8 count, we're gonna start headed to your right. We're gonna do a weave step. All we're doing is 4 steps, right, left, but you're gonna take your first step out to the side. Then you're going to cross your left foot behind, out to the side, and then left foot goes in front. So your left foot is the one that's weaving. Your right foot's just going to the side. Again, you're going to go side, back, side, front. 5, 6, we weave to the right. Go right, left, left. One more time. 6, step out to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. From here, we're going to keep moving to your right. This is called a Lindy, or I usually call it a triple step, but that's the same thing. So we're taking 3 steps to the right, right, left, right. Little tiny steps traveling to your right. Right together, right. Just try that. Right together, right, and then you're going to ball change or do a rock step out of this, where we're going rock, step. So you're rocking on the left, stepping back on your right. This can also be called a ball change. So we have Lindy and rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Or you can call it triple step ball change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's the same step. Try that one time. 5, 6, triple step, right, rock, left, right. Very nice. So our first 8 count, we start with our weave. That's the first 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, weave to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, triple step, rock, step, left, right. One more time. 6, you got it. 5, 6, weave to your right. Right, left, triple, rock, left, right. Very nice. That's your first 8 count. Your second 8 count, we're going to repeat that step, but we're going to lead it with your left foot. So now we're weaving to your left. So you're stepping left, right. Same thing, you're going to go left. The right foot's going to weave behind. Step left, the right foot weaves in front. Just try those 4 steps. Left cross back, left cross front. 5, 6, weave it to your left. Side, back, side, front. 5, 6, one more time, side, back, side, front. Now our triple step is left, rock, right, left. So the second half of this second 8 count, we're going left, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 5, 6, just the triple step. Left, now rock, right, left. 5, 6, triple step, rock, step. Very nice. So our left side lead, we start with the weave, left, right, triple, left, rock, right, left. Try our left side lead, you got it. 5, 6, weave to your left. This is 1, 2, 3, triple, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. Yeah, left side one more time. 5, 6, weave it to your left. Go left, back, left, front, triple, left, rock, right, left. Very nice. So when we put right and left together, I'm going to start way over here. We have our weave to the right, 4 steps. Right foot leads us, left foot weaves, triple, right, rock, left, right. Then you start over to your left. We weave to your left, triple left, rock, right, left. Woo! Let's try those 2 8 counts together. 5, 6, weave it to your right. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step. 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. Weave it to your left, 2, 3. Triple step, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. Yeah, let's do that one more time. Weave into the right. 5, 6, step to your right. We go right, left, triple step, rock step, weave left, left, right, left, triple, rock step. Very, very nice. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, this is a recorded tutorial, so you can pause it, rewind it, practice it, do whatever you need to. When you're ready to add on our third 8 count, here's what we're gonna do. So it's gonna be a step touch. We just did our triple step, rock step to the left. You're gonna take right touch, left, left touch right, right touch left, left touch right. That's the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 step touches. I'm gonna take the first step touch to this diagonal, step touch, and then I'm gonna go back on that same diagonal back to recover here. So we're going diagonal and back, 2 step touches. 5, 6, just try those 2 to the front, to the back, kind of like half a K step. And then this next one is going to use to turn to our second wall. So we're step touching with our right, and then just step touching back to your left, side to side. So again, after the diagonal one, you're just turning over or to your right shoulder, step, touch, then finish just step touching to your left. And now we're on our second wall, but we're not done yet. So we're going to step touch on the diagonal, 1, 2, back 3. Now we turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it. 5, 6, step touch front, step touch back. Now open to the right, to the left. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, step touch front to the front, to the back, to the side, to the side. I don't know what I said there. Okay, let's add that on. So that's going to tack on to, we did a rock step, and then you're going to step on that diagonal to the right. All the way back to the top, from our weave to the right. You got it. 5, 6, weave it to the right. 4 steps, 2, 3, 4, triple step, rock step. Weave it back to your left. 2, 3, triple, rock step. Here's that step touch on the diagonal. Take it back. Now we're going to turn it to your right wall. Step touch, step touch. Great job. Let's add our 4th 8 count to wrap up the choreography. We ended facing this right wall, but I'm going to teach it to you facing this way, just so you can see everything from behind. So hang on, and then we'll get back to the right direction in a second. You just finished your step touch, your right foot's free. We're going to do another rock step, but this time we're going to go right, left. We're rocking out to the side, recovering back to your left foot. Then you're going to do what's called a cross shuffle, where we're going to do a little right, left, right. It's the same motion as a Lindy or a triple step, the same footwork, right, left, right, but we're crossing our body, right, left, right. So think about your right foot going to the left corner. So we're doing rock, step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, rock, step to the side, rock, step, cross, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do the same thing to the left. So you're going to rock out, left, right, cross shuffle, left, right, left to the right corner. So this time we're rocking to the left. We're going left, right, left. Again, left, right, left, right, left. Just try your left side lead right here. Left, right, left, right, left. Yeah, rock, step, cross shuffles. So we're going to rock to the right first. Rock, step, 3 steps. Rock, step, 3 steps to the corner. Yes, 5, 6, rock, step to your right. Cross shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Rock, step, cross shuffle, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, rock, step right. Cross shuffle, rock, cross shuffle. Very nice, but we're facing this way. So we did our K step or our diagonal step to the front. Then we turned. Now you're just going to rock step from here and cross shuffle and rock step and cross shuffle. Ooh-wee. And that's our 4/8 count, y'all. So let's go back to the top, put it all together. We're going to start with that weave to the right. Let's go really slow just to see how it all fits together. I believe in you. 5, 6, weave to your right. 4 steps, cross behind. Then we're going to triple or Lindy, rock step left, right. Weave, triple, rock back. step, touch, diagonal, take it back. Now we turn it to the right wall. Then we're gonna rock, step out, cross shuffle to the corner, rock, step, cross shuffle to the corner. Very, very nice. Then you would just start it over with your weave, but we'll get there. Let's practice these 4 8 counts again. 4 steps of that weave to the right, all the way through. Here we go. 5, 6, weave it to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, triple step. 5 and 6, rock. 7, 8, weave to your left. 2, 3, triple. 5 and 6, rock. 7 step, touch. 1, 2, 3, turn it to your right. 5, 6, rock it out. 1, 2, shuffle. 3 and 4, rock. 5, 6, shuffle. 7 and 8. Great job. Now let's talk about how we're going to continue it on. So we finished our 4 8 counts of choreography. That's all you're going to do. It's those 4 8 counts. You're not going to restart. You're not going to add any tags. You're just going to keep doing them around and around until the song ends. So here's what it's going to look like. After you did your rock, step, cross shuffles, your right foot's free to go back into the weave to the right. Triple step, rock, step, weave it to your left. Triple, rock, step. Now we're step touching to this wall. Now we're turning to our 3rd wall, which is the back wall. Then we're going to rock out, cross shuffle, rock out, cross shuffle. Then guess what? You start your weave over from here. Triple step, rock, step, weave to your left. Triple step, rock. We're step touching on the diagonal. Now we're turning to our 4th wall. Then we're going to rock out, cross shuffle, rock out, cross shuffle. Then you'll start it over, eventually turn back to the front, and then you just keep going around and around. Yeah, you know how line dances work, right? If you don't, that's how they work. You just use whatever turn pivots you to the next wall to keep turning wall to wall until you're done. And it's fun, yay, we're up and we're moving. So we're doing it right. So let's do 4 walls, why not? Let's start, we'll go all the way back till we're facing the mirror till we finish it up. So we're gonna start with the weave to the right and just keep on dancing, have fun. Here we go, to the right. 5, 6, weave it to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, triple, rock, step, weave to your left. 1, 2, 3, triple, rock, step, step, touch, diagonal, step, touch, turn. Then we're gonna rock to the side, cross shuffle to this corner, rock side. Now we're gonna start it over. Weave right, right, left, right, you got it. Triple, rock, weave left, left, right, triple, left, right, left, rock. Step, touch, diagonal, step, touch, turn, rock, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Start it over, weave it, right, left, you got it. Triple and rock, weave it to your left. Triple, step, left, right, left, rock, diagonal, step, touch, turn it, woo, rock it to your right, cross shuffle, rock it left, cross shuffle. Start it over, weave it. 4 steps. Now we triple step, rock, step. Take it left, weave it. Triple, you got it, rock. Diagonal, step, touch, turn it. Last step, rock right here, cross shuffle, rock out, cross shuffle. And then you would, of course, start it over and keep going. Fantastic job. Who's doing an awesome job? It's you. We're gonna do it one more time from the top. We're gonna do that same thing. We're gonna go all the way around in a square. It's gonna be a little bit faster, and I wanted to point out whenever you do the triple step or the cross shuffle, you want little tiny steps. So you don't have to really move a lot with them. You're just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As we get faster, we have to make our movements smaller. So same thing with rock, step, cross shuffle. It's just a little 1, 2, 3, little tiny, tiny steps. The smaller you can make them, the faster you can make them as you go with music. So play around with that. You don't have to take big wide steps as you go with music because it is a little bit faster. What am I doing? I don't know. Let's go one more time. Thank you for being here. Here we go. We're going to go to the right with that cross weave. You got it. 5, 6, 5, 6, weave to your right. 1, 2, 3, triple step, little, rock step. Weave, little tiny triple, rock step. Step touch diagonal, step touch turn, rock step right, little tiny steps, right, left, right, right, left. Now we weave, right, left, little tiny steps, rock. Weave it left, you got it. Left, rock step touch, turn it, rock right, little cross shuffle, rock left. Now we start it over. Weave to your right, 4 steps. Woo, triple, rock. 4 steps to your left, weave it. Triple, rock step. Step touch, turn it, rock to your right, little tiny steps for your cross shuffle. You're doing amazing. Start it over, weave it. Triple and rock. Weave, triple and rock. Step touch, this is our last time through, turn it, rock it, cross shuffle, rock, cross. Yeah, excellent job. Woohoo, that was our tutorial. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, you can use this tutorial to go back and watch it as many times as you need to. When you're ready to practice with music though, it's in a separate video. So go ahead to the video description, find that other video when you're ready to practice this with music. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you have an incredible rest of your day today. I hope that you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.